Dear friend, I have CHIMERA tool and Samsung Galaxy phone J701F. I connect the phone with PC. First of all, you enable the developer option and on the OEM lock and USB debugging on. Its modem is unknown modem. This device shows unknown modem. I repaired IME, that is original IME of this mobile. Copy here and click next. My device is not rooted and I select the root no option. Click start. This is simple process to repair the IME of Galaxy Samsung mobiles unknown model. This modem is not supported in CHIMERA tool. Then now we'll try in Z3X or OCTOPUS devices. For repaired Samsung Galaxy baseband or repaired IME on OCTOPUS or Z3X, root process is very important. First, you root your mobile. This is simple process. This is an EFT flash tool. I already download the built-in number या PA flash file from here, binary S6 BSC2. This file is installed on my device. I already download this file. Select file, click on download. This is file, root file. Then put device into the download mode. And then click on flash. This simple process. Now my device is in root position. My device is rooted and start, and we do reset and further process I do and Z3X and OCTOPUS devices. Now I select to repair baseband or IME number. I select Z3X here model and repaired. Select here and select the USB debugging on the device screen. Show this option. Click IME and put the original IME. This is very simple and easy process. Set as rooted, repaired. My patch level is March 2019. 2019. I repaired November. Three devices: CHIMERA tool, Z3X, OCTOPUS. is best devices for Samsung Galaxy phone unlocking FRP, IME repaired, baseband repaired, software update, and any solution, further solution. You can get the devices port on rent from me. My number is WhatsApp number is in description. When you repaired the baseband IME, your device reboot. After the process completed the reboot, then you patch certificate again. The Samsung Galaxy device rebooted normally after repaired the IME patch certificate. My last patch is November. I select November. Latest every time do latest patch date. Click on latest patch date. This is a simple process to repair baseband of the Samsung Galaxy mobiles and solve the NG solution of his devices. In last, I request you, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe and like the video. Here patching is okay, done. Mobile rebooting.